Okay, so I'm Talon's partner, and he's about to start his equation. So here he goes.
Alright, so my equation was number 63. If 1 gram of magnesium hydroxide reacts with 0.605 grams of sulfuric acid, what is the mass of magnesium sulfate that is produced? And we see the equation here. So we're going to start with two equations, one for the magnesium hydroxide and one for the sulfuric acid. So with this first equation, we want to get the molar ratio, which is 1 mole over, we have the molar mass here, which is 58.33 grams. And then we're going to want to take that to the molar ratio, which we see is 1 of magnesium hydroxide to 1 of magnesium sulfate. So it is a 1-to-1 ratio. And then once you multiply that across, divide that across, we get 0.01714. And then for the second equation, which is the sulfuric acid, we have the molar mass, so it's 1 mole over 98.086 grams. And that, sorry, I messed up. These are magnesium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. And it's 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide, and these cancel out, and this is 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide, and this is 1 mole of magnesium sulfate. And so this is magnesium sulfate. Alright, sorry about that confusion. These cross out. Okay, so the second one, we have sulfuric acid and 1 mole of sulfuric acid. And then we're going to the molar ratio, which also is a 1-to-1. So 1 mole of magnesium sulfate and 1 mole of sulfuric acid. And these cross out and these cross out, and you get 0.605 divided by 98.086, which is 0.00617. So we know that this bottom one is the limiting reagent, And then we're going to use that in our next equation to find the mass of magnesium sulfate produced. So we're going to use 0.00617 of magnesium sulfate. And we're going to multiply that by the molar mass, which I don't actually have down here. So 1 mole the molar mass I have is 120, and that's actually on top. So 1 mole magnesium sulfate, and that mole mass is 120.38 grams of magnesium sulfate, and that cancels out. So we have 0.00617 times 120.38, which gives us 0.7427 grams of magnesium sulfate. And that is how much magnesium sulfate we can get from our limiting reagent of sulfuric acid.